We'll guide you through how to set up, change, or remove the screen lock on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So if I go and press the side button now to go and wake up the device, you go and see I currently have no screen lock. So I'm going to set one up, but maybe you have one you don't like right now. For example, you have a PIN, you want to go and change it to the pattern or vice versa, or even a password, or you want to go and remove it like mine. So as soon as you go and press the button, you can go and get to the home screen. Now, do just consider not having one can be a little bit risky because there's then no sort of security to get into your device. So anybody can pick up your phone, tap it, and then go and start using it. So that is important to consider. But of course, you may want to be changing it or setting it up as well. So we're going to guide you through the different options you've got and some other useful info as well. So let's go and get started with this. What we need to do is go and head to the settings. So they may be on the main homepage here, or what you need to do is go and swipe up to open the app pages and go and swipe across to go and find settings. Remember, you can always search at the top for settings, but otherwise it's just on the first page here. So you can go and open it up. Now what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for lock screen and go and tap on it. Or you can just go to the top right and press search. And then you can go and type in lock like this. Go and wait, and then it should go and find lock screen and you can tap on it. Now, what you can do is go and press green lock type. If you currently have one set up, you may have some more options here, and I'll cover that in a moment. But otherwise, you can go and tap on screen lock type like so. And if you currently have a screen lock like a PIN or a password or a pattern, you need to complete that before accessing this. And then what you can do is go and choose what you want. So you can use a PIN, which is going to be numbers, a password, which can be letters and numbers, a pattern, which is like drawing something, a swipe, which is literally swiping up, so basically nothing, or just none. So as soon as you press that button, it comes on. At the bottom, you've got face and biometrics as well, but we're focusing on these top ones really. So then what you can do is choose what you want. So let's say I wanted a PIN, I could tap there, then I'll go and enter it in like so. It says 6 digits is recommended, but I'll do 4. Then we can press continue. It was easy, but I'll press use anyways. It's just for this guide, and I'll press OK. So now that's going to be set up, and you can choose the lock screen notifications. And now we brought back here. So you've got a few more options. You can consider using extend lock. This is good because then if you have your phone with you, you won't need to go and use the lock. It goes and recognizes that, as you can see. So that's it. Now, when I go and lock the device by pressing the side button, then I press it again, we'll be on the lock screen, and then we can go and swipe up and we can go and unlock it. So I can go and enter in the PIN like so, and that's it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got lots more guides like this on the channel and more to come as well. If you've got any suggestions, feel free to go and put them down below, and I look forward to going and checking them out.